Hi everyone, it's Nima at Home Office to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up the 2016 revised projection exercise. So before we start, we'll need two things. Number one is our latest forecast file. Number two is the fix macro, which Keith provided us. Um, when you take your forecast file, what you're going to start to do first is you want to save a second version of the most recent forecast file. I'm just going to save this on my desktop and I'm going to call this um, my 2016 reprojection, and maybe I'll put the file name. This is Solimar just as a sample, so I'll save that. From here, I'm going to run the fix macro. Remember, you need both of them here. It'll kind of tell you really quickly what it's going to change. But once you're in the file, you're going to hit Control G and it will do its magic. Okay, so at this point in time, it's going to use the forecast numbers you have for January, forecast numbers you have for February, March, and April, given that we're assuming you've done day by days for those 3 months. And then the highlighted months being May through December, it's essentially copied and pasted the document. So you're going to actually now make adjustments in this view. It's also going to highlight in red what you need to do. The previous forecast, it's actually copied and paste your old forecast file. And if you had it set up as budget, it just basically did all that work for you. So when you're ready to look at variances between the two forecasts, or I'm sorry, between I guess your most recent forecast plus budget and your new projections, you can see that adjustment in this tab. The next thing you're going to do, just like we always do with the Monday report, is check to make sure that you're going to have a different week. So as you see, you're at January week 5. We did this because there is no January week 5 in 2016. So on our end, we can identify which month we're working with. It'll actually highlight and tell you that this is the risk assessment file. Go to your Monday report, go ahead and crank this out and it will scrape as always. And then at this point in time, you can go ahead and push your data to database. Just remember, make sure that you are hardwired onto the Kimpton network to push the file. If you have any issues, please feel free to reach out to me or Keith. Well, all right, that's all we got. This is Nima Sharif. We'll see you next time. Bye.